channel. For those of you who are returning, and to the new subscribers, new viewers, welcome. I hope you guys will enjoy the content. So today is Friday the 9th of April. And I'll be showing you guys how I made just over 750 rands from Prolific. For those of you who don't know what Prolific is an online platform where you get paid to participate in surveys and studies. And the studies are mainly provided by universities and students in university who are conducting research. I first found out about Prolific about a month ago from my girlfriend. She had just made I think over 20 pounds because that's the currency that they use, and I was really interested in experimenting and seeing if I could make any money with a busy schedule that I have. And as we speak today, I have over 750 rands, and I'll be showing you guys exactly how I made that much. Okay, so I'm just gonna switch over to my laptop and show you what Prolific is, how it looks like, and I'll give you guys a few pointers as to how to make the most money. Well, not necessarily make the most money, but stand a better chance of getting studies and making money on Prolific. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna switch over to my laptop, start the screen recording. Cool. Okay guys, as you can see, I have a total end of 36.61 pounds. I'm just gonna do a quick conversion and see how much that is in rands. Okay, so if we say 38.61, so I have 774 rands. So let's switch over to Prolific. As you guys can see, my very first study was on the 8th of March. I think that's when I actually joined Prolific. Let's see if we can Prolific survey. I just want to show you guys what the site looks like, what the sign up page looks like. Let's see. Okay, cool. They even have a video which is pretty cool. I link that on the description below, and it won't be necessary for me to show you how the sign up process looks. So they'll just send you an email with the verification link, and then once you've been verified, you then be eligible to start taking studies. Okay, cool. So yeah, my very first study was on the 8th of March, and it was for 8 cents in pounds, and then from there I would get other studies. I didn't get much until the 12th of March. That's when I got a study for 1.25 pounds. And then I even got a bonus of 0.25 pounds. Yeah, some studies will reward you with the bonus if they're happy with the results of the survey. As you guys can see, all of my surveys have been approved except for this one. I think I didn't finish the survey because I was busy with something else. I would say I got really lucky. The reason I'm at 38 pounds is because of these two studies or surveys that I did. One is from the University of Cambridge, and then the other one is from the University of Sussex. Okay, cool. So I was just sitting the other day, and then I saw the study for 17 pounds 50 cents, and then I just did it. So this was the longest study I ever did, and it took me about an hour to complete the whole study. And then this is and then a couple of days later, I had just woken up, and then I saw a study for 10 pounds, and then I just decided to jump, and I did it. It was just under 30 minutes. It took me just under 30 minutes. I would say collectively for all of these studies, I've spent not more than 5 hours. Well, five hours is actually quite a stretch. I would say I didn't spend more than 4 hours doing all of these studies. I've done how many so far? I've done 19 studies so far, because the other one I didn't complete, and 18 have been approved, and then there's just this one that is waiting approval. I think I did this a couple of days back. Yeah, it was on the 5th of April. Okay, cool. Yeah guys, so a few pointers. When you do decide to sign up and join Prolific, one of the things that will really help is this extension over here. So this extension is called the Prolific Assistant, I think. Okay, let's just go and see what it's called exactly. I'm gonna show you guys where to find this. Also, here's the Prolific. It's called Prolific Assistant. Let's just go to the store and see exactly what it looks like. Prolific Assistant. So I've never tried using Prolific on any other browser except for Chrome. Well, the specific extension, I haven't tried it on any other browser except for Chrome. So what happens with the Prolific Assistant is whenever there's a new study, you'll get a notification. You can actually configure it to notify you. So there's an alert sound. There's a couple of options for the alert sound, and I've decided to use the voice. Well, that's what I got started with. I don't know if you guys will hear what this sounds like. So that's the one alert, second one, third, fourth, fifth, and then this is the one that I'm currently using.
New studies available on Prolific.
So every time I hear this voice, like, I just come running to my laptop to see if I can do that study. Okay, cool guys. So yeah, so this is what you need in order to maximize your chances of getting any studies on Prolific. And then the second thing I'd say is that always make sure that whenever you get a study, you have time. Well, studies could take anything from like a minute to an hour. The longer the study takes, the more the study will pay. As you guys saw on my profile, I got paid £17 for a study that took me an hour. That was the longest study I had done. And the third thing is install Firefox, install other browsers. I would say Firefox and Edge on your machine before starting with Prolific, because that really helps with some of the studies. Because some of the studies will require you to do the study on a specific browser. For instance, with this one for £17, it needed to be done in Firefox, and fortunately I already had Firefox installed on my machine, so I just copied the link from Chrome to Firefox, and I was able to complete the study. So yeah, those are the pointers, and I'd say what else? Yeah, last thing, just try and pin the tab so that you always have Prolific open on your browser, so that, like, even if you do close your browser, whenever you open it will be pinned on your Chrome tab. Yeah guys, so if you can't get the extension, it's gonna be a bit tricky because you won't be notified whenever there's new studies. Yeah, so that really helps a lot. And I have never done a study on my cell phone. I've only done studies on my laptop. So I don't know exactly how it works on the cell phone, but I know most studies will require you to be logged into your laptop. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure you can take studies on your phone as well. Okay guys, one more thing, you can only cash out the cash once you have over £5 on your account. Yeah, and so how you get the money is by linking your PayPal account to Prolific, and once you have £5 you can then cash it out into your PayPal account. Yeah guys, and that's about it. Yeah, I hope this video was useful. If you did find it useful, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, because I'll be making more videos like this. So the money that I'll be making on Prolific, I will be using this money to start an online business. And if you guys are interested in seeing how that works, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, that's it from me guys. Have a lovely weekend.